Are you someone who wants to build your first home and don't know where to start? Do you want to renovate and transform outdated spaces to modern, aesthetic and practical living spaces? Do you need help on deciding whether to go with the council or the private certifier for your building approval? Have you received a letter from council about any unauthorized work? Are you looking for professionals who would take care of your building needs from start to end? If this is you, contact DP Design Studio on 1300 373 374 or admin@dpdesignstudio.com.au. www.dpdesignstudio.com.au. We specialise in high-quality design and drafting, project management and build for residential and commercial spaces. Our aim is to create sustainable living spaces which matches your expectation and budget. Our team of professionals are always ready to help.